Hey, welcome to World Drum Club. I'm Kalani, your host and teacher, and I have a new instrument I want to share with you all. Thanks to the folks at Kandu Cajons for sending me a couple instruments to show you World Drum Club supporters. So let's get right to it. This is called the Katak. Katak. K-T-A-K, I believe it's spelled. You can go to the Kandu Wood and Groove website and find out more. But this is basically a kind of roundish, portable cajon. Right off the bat, I want to say that, and I'm not getting paid for this by Kandu, by the way. This is a community service. I want to say that the craftsmanship is something that struck me right away as I struck it right away. It's beautifully made. It feels great. I wish you guys could reach through your screens and feel this thing because it's just, you just want to like, beautifully made. And this is a portable, small format cajon. There's many lap style cajons. I've reviewed a few of them, and I will continue to review them as they come out and are made available to me here on World Drum Club. So the main goal is just to show you so you can decide if it's something you want to get into. This particular one has a snare, and it's a basic kind of old school, snare that pushes up from the bottom onto a drum head. In this case, it's pushing up onto this side. On the edge, there's a hole along the side, just one hole, and you can face that towards you or away, and that'll change your experience of the instrument a little bit. And then the other side it's flippable, so you can play without the snare. I'm going to put my safety belt back on because I don't want to have any cajon speeding accidents. This is another feature that I like. I like this a lot, this little strap, and it's stretchy. And I noticed when I was playing earlier, as I was preparing to do this video, that if you mute the bottom, you get a shorter, which you would expect, you get a drier sound, and then you can, because it's stretchy, you can open your legs a little, and you get a different sound. So now we've got Now you might be wondering, hey Kalani, you said the snare was on the other side, and it is. And that's because you're hearing it because it's, sympathetic vibrations. Now I guess I could just flip this over. I don't have to completely unstrap it. Again, the snare is basically contacting right in the center here. So that's a maximum snareage, and then snareage, and then here not so much. But as you can hear, we've got a kind of more bassy area towards the center here, and then something higher, brighter around the edge, just like you would expect from any cajon or most instruments or most drums. Another thing you can do with this is wear it, and that's something that there are some other videos online on YouTube that you can see, so I'm not going to go into great depth, but one thing you can do is strap it on this way for maximum protection. Whatever that means. But you can literally wear it, hello. You can wear it this way and walk around and play and be like, hey man, check out my cajon. I'm not even gonna say it. You can just think it. You can complete that sentence. All right, so this is the Katak Kandu Cajons. There's a few videos online. You can go to their website. I'll leave a link below, but it's really easy to find. You guys just use the Googles. And here's another look at the whole thing. Top and bottom, or bottom and top. Here's the strap. You can adjust the position, so you could put it, if you want a one leg version, put it around your chest for chest protection and playing. Maybe get a few. You could be a whole cajon. You could have a cajon body armor. Is what I'm saying. Go crazy with that. It's really well made. Again, I want to thank everybody at Kandu. And as a little bonus before we leave, I want to show you another instrument from Kandu Cajons coming right up. World Drum Club. All right, this is another instrument, similar but different. This one is, I don't know what it's called because I went to the website and there's no information on this that I found as of the making of this video today on the Kandu website. But I really like this little guy. How fun is that? So it's basically like a Shaker Cajon. And you can see here, you've got some sort of perforation on the sides. I guess that's, to let out the shaker sound. At first I was thinking one side's salt and one side's pepper, but obviously that's not the case. I'm mistaken. I think they're both pepper. So this is a little guy. Again, really great craftsmanship and very small, super portable. I mean, you could practically put this thing in your back pocket. And I don't recommend that, but again, I'm going to repeat. I'm not going to repeat. You can repeat to yourself a lot of the same applications and qualities of this as I mentioned for the Katak, but this is another innovation, and we got to hand it to the folks at Kandu for continuing to innovate, and I appreciate that as a musician, percussionist. I hope you do too, so go check them out. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you guys want to leave, your kind and productive comments below, I'll be happy to try to respond to them. Of course, our main conversation, more of a face-to-face, one-on-one, interactive experience is over at patreon.com/Kalani, where you can be a supporter of the channel, which helps us bring you these reviews and other things. I do also want to say thanks to all the new members who have been signing up lately. Really appreciate that. Thanks so much. Make sure to get your World Drum Club swag by clicking some of the links below or searching online for World Drum Club T-Shirts. That's it. That's what I have for you guys right now. Go out and make some great music. I'm Kalani. This is World Drum Club. Thanks for watching.